everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing this Eid spring inspired makeup look, mint green to be specific, because we are in spring. Ramadan is in spring, as is Eid like it was last year. It's actually about half an hour from iftar. My belly is really growling, so I'm glad that the majority of this video will just have music playing over it. So I just wanted to share with you guys this fairly simple look that I put together. Nothing too complicated, just to maybe give you guys a little bit of inspo in terms of what you may potentially be wearing for Eid when it does come. Ramadan Mubarak to everybody that's currently observing, and Eid Mubarak to when the day actually comes. I'm hoping that your Ramadan has gone well and has given you some peace and some solace, and remembering the reasons why we fast as well, not forgetting the people in Palestine and everything that they have been going through over the past 6 months, as well as the past 76 years as well. So remember them in your prayers too. You are observing Ramadan as well as Eid. So thank you all for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you've got any comments or questions about anything in this video, feel free to ask me below, as a few things I've left out, like my eyebrows for example, just to make the video a little bit quicker. But I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.